Hello friends, how are you? I am fine and I hope you are also fine. Friends, if you have dreams and you want to fulfill your dreams, then you are on the right video. Today I will introduce you the smart plan, smart concept by which you earn a lot of money and also your future will be bright. So friend, let's start the video. First we talk about the name of the company, name of the concept. The concept name is BTT Crowd and welcome to the BTT Crowd. Talk about the BTT. BTT is also known as BitTorrent and it is also a cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Bitcoin, TRX. Talk about the BTT Crowd. BTT Crowd is an international system that deals in the latest technology and projects. It's a decentralized system and also BD Crowd is the ultimate concept of fulfilling everyone's earning potential. Our dream is to help individual achieve their dreams, make every individual happy and secure in all aspects of life. Talk about the vision of BTT Crowd. You know, necessity is the mother of invention, and the idea or product that is being invented is truly business. The best and profitable business is what time needs and people demands. You know, cryptocurrency a huge scope, and also you all know what is the cryptocurrency's future, what is the cryptocurrency's potential, and this is best time for you to join this BTT crowded BitTorrent concept. Talk about the business packages. There are 8 types of business package. First is 600 BTT, 1200 BTT, 2500 BTT, 5000 BTT, 7500 BTT, that is 7500 BTT, 10,000 BTT, 15,000 BTT, 20,000 BTT. Now talk about the first package, that is 600 BTT package. You get direct income 200 BTT, level income 100 BTT, royalty 100 BTT, and level metric is 100 BTT. And talk about the partners. Your partners 2 income 8 BTT, partners 4 income 16, partners 8 income 48, partners 16 income 96, partners 32 income 256, partners 64 income 4608, total income you will get 5032. Talk about the global match, there's 100 BTT, partners 2 income 8, partners 4 income 16, partners 8 income 48, partners 16 income 96, partners 32 income 256, partners 64 income 4608, total income you will get 5032. Okay, about the level, in level 1 5, in level 2 5, in level 3 5, in level 5 5, till the 20 level you get the 5 total you will get hand run BTG. Now talk about the 1200 BTT package. Direct income you will get 200 BTT, royalty 200 BTT, level income 200 BTT, upgrade income you just need to upgrade with 200 BTT, and also upgrade income goes to second upline. And also level metric is 200 BTT, that's partners 2 income 16, partners 4 income 32, partners 8 income 96, partners 16 income 192, and you can see partners 64 income 9212, total income you will get 10064, that's 10,064. Talk about the global metric is partners 2 income 16, partners 4 income 32, partners 8 income 96, partners 16 income 192, total income you will get 10064. And talk about the level, in level 1 10, in level 2 10, in level 3 10, in level 4 10, till the 20 level you get the 10 10 10 10, total you will get 200. Talk about the 2400 BTT package. Direct income you will get 400 BTT, royalty 400 BTT, level income 400 BTT, upgrade income 400 BTT, upgrade income goes to third upline, global metric is 400 BTT, and level metric is 400 BTT. Partners 2 income 32, partners 4 income 64, partners 8 income 196, total income you will get 19896, and in global metrics total income you will get 19896, and in level 1 you get 20, in level 2 you get 20, in level 3 you get 20, till the 20 level you get the income. Talk about the 5000 BTT package. Direct income you will get 750 BTT, level income 750 BTT, and also royalty 750 BTT, upgrade income 750 BTT, upgrade income goes to fourth upline, level metric is 1000 BTT, global metric is 1000 BTT. Partners 2 income 68, partners 4 income 136, total income you will get 52873, and in global metrics you get the income total 52873, you can see on your mobile screen. In level 1 you get 37.5, in level 2 37.5, in level 3 37.5, till the 20 level you get the income. Talk about the 7500 BTT package, direct income 1250 BTT, level income 1250 BTT, royalty 1250 BTT, upgrade income 1250 BTT, level metric is 1250 BTT, and global metric is 1250 BTT, and upgrade income goes to fifth upline. In level matrix, partners 2 income 102, and tilth 64 partners you get income 73987, total income you get 79309, and in global match you get income 79309. In level 1 62.5, in level 2 62.5, total till 20 level you get the income. Talk about a 10,000 BTT package, direct income you will get 1500 BTT, level income 1500 BTT, royalty 1500 BTT, upgrade income 1500 BTT, level matrix 2000 BTT, global matrix 2000 BTT, and you get the income, total income 105656, and also in global matrix you get income 105656. In level 175, level 275, till 20 level you get the income. And talk about the 15,000 BTT package, direct income you will get 2250, level income 2250 BTT, royalty 2250 BTT, upgrade income 2250 BTT, and the upgrade income goes to 7th upline. Level matrix is 3000 BTT, global matrix is 3000 BTT. In level matrix you get total 158484, and also in global matrix you get 158484, and also you can see on your mobile screen there is a huge income. You can pause the screen and also see the income. In level 1 112.5, in level 2 112.5, total till the 20 level you get income. Talk about the 20,000 BTT package, direct income you will get 3000, level income 3000 BTT, royalty 3000 BTT, upgrade income 3000 BTT, upgrade income goes to 8th upline. Level metric is 4000 BTT, global metric is 4000 BTT, partners 2 income 272 BTT, partners 4 income 554, and also total income you will get 211312. In global metric is 400 BTT, partners 2 income 272, partners 4 income 554, and also total income you will get 211312. And also in level 150, level 2 150, till the 20 level you get the income. Talk about the smart level income. In level 1 you will get 1 BTT, in level 2 1, in level 3 1, in level 4 1, in level 5 1, till the 20 level you get the 1 and total you will get 20. Also 5% of total income of each RD reserved in super level wallet. When it reaches 20 BTT will be distributed to 20 levels lifelong. Club income in level 1, Club A 10 direct, Club B 2, Club C 2, and also Club D 2, Club E 2, Club F 2, Club A 2, and in level 2 Club B 4, Club C 4, and also Club D 4, Club E 4, Club F 4, Club A 4, and in level 3 Club B 8, Club C 8, Club D 8, Club E 8, Club F 8, and Club A 8, and you can see the income on your club income on your mobile screen. And also there is a period of 4 times in each club. You can pause the screen and also see the income on your mobile screen. Now talk about the terms and conditions. There is a free registration, no need to pay for registration. Minimum withdraw 100 BTT, withdraw charge is 10%, 2 direct mandatory for withdraw. Matrix income, club income closing on 14th 28th of every month. Activate ID automatically and search into pool 1. All the users are eligible for club income once they upgrade with 1200 BTT package. Your investor opens the same slot for you again, and you continue to receive income from auto pool automatically and manually upgrade available. If you want to join this concept, there is a joining link and contact number in the description. Hurry up and join this smart concept and fulfill your dreams. See you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you.